It's really easy to safely and securely transfer your Cardano coins into your hardware wallet, such as your Trezor, which I'm using here, a Ledger Nano, or a Tangem wallet. Here's how you do it. I'm going to demonstrate using my Trezor, but the process is exactly the same. Firstly, go into the application for your wallet. I'm going into my Trezor suite. You'll go into your Ledger Live if you're using Ledger, for example. The first thing to do is to make sure the Cardano account is enabled, right? In this instance, if it isn't, I need to go to the Add Account button and enable the Cardano coin on my application. You'll have to do the same with your hardware wallet. It's important that you then click on that particular account, and then you want to generate a receiving address. So click there, receive. This step is going to generate a receiving address for you to send your Cardano coins to. So let's generate that. All right, you can see here that it's asking me to make sure that the address matches what I see on my device. So when you're happy with that, just confirm. And let's copy that receiving address. Now we're going to go straight to Cardano in our exchange. I'm using Coinbase. I'm then going to want to click the send button. I want to send by pasting that receiving address we just copied. If you've got a massive amount of crypto, I suggest you do a small test transaction first. When you're happy, you can send now. That part's done. You can then go back into your wallet application and sit there and wait, or if you've got a refresh button, click on that, and it shouldn't take too long, a minute or two for it to appear. So let's just wait for that. Okay, that took a couple of minutes and all good. You can see that the Cardano coin has successfully landed in our hardware wallet. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and please share and like. Thank you.